Today we are going to talk about the future. Not the future of humanity, but how to use the future tense in German. Thankfully, this topic is pretty easy and straightforward. Pretty unusual for the German language, right? So let's dive into it. We have basically two options, but the distinction is not really the meaning, but whether it's formal or more informal communication. Generally, we form the plural by using the verb werden plus the infinitive. So let's look at the conjugation of werden first. Ich werde, du wirst, wird, wir werden, ihr werdet, sie werden. So we need to conjugate this verb and add the infinitive of the verb we actually want to use. Ich werde nach Paris fahren. So we have werden in the second position and conjugate it, and fahren in the last position in the infinitive. We can use this future tense for plans, for assumptions, for intentions, so we don't have this division into going to or will future. So if we want to emphasize it's something that may be happening but it's not sure, we can say Ich werde vielleicht nach Paris fahren. If it's an actual plan and it's like 100%, we can say Ich werde auf jeden Fall nach Paris fahren. If it's very likely, but not really 100%, we can say Ich werde wahrscheinlich nach Paris fahren. So by adding these little words, we can emphasize whether it's a plan, an assumption, or an intention. The second option to talk about the future is to simply use the present tense. But in this case, we have to add when something will happen. So we can say, Ich fahre morgen nach Paris. So everybody will understand it's about the future, but this version is less formal and you would rather use it in informal communication. But there is really no difference in meaning, so you can't get it totally wrong. It's really such an easy topic because there are no irregular forms whatsoever, because we only have this verb werden and the infinitive. So you only need to remember the conjugation of werden. The verb werden also means become. So you may read a sentence such as Ich werde reich. Or if we talk about professions, Ich werde Arzt. So in this case, it means become. It's actually the exact same verb as the one we combine with the infinitive for the future tense. So don't confuse those two, but other than that, it's really straightforward. So let's do some examples together. By the way, thank you for everyone that has already subscribed, that's commented or liked my videos. Thank you so much. It really means so much to me. So I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.